White floating foil, for close comfortable shaving. The electric razor is washable, easy cleaning under running water. The shavers come with a twist cap which protects the foil when not in use. The electric shaver is battery operated, AA batteries included. 60 minutes running time. Braun MobileShave razors. Shave on the go. Never fear the 5 o'clock shadow. Braun's MobileShave, Braun's smallest electric shaver, makes it easy and convenient to restore a freshly groomed appearance whenever and wherever you need to look your best. Thanks to its compact size and powered by 2 AA batteries, it can easily be used at work, in the car, or even on short holiday trips. Top reviews from the United States. Battery-powered waterproof shaver. Bough this shaver to replace an old rechargeable unit that had failed. It takes 2 AA batteries. Duracell brand is supplied in the box. Seems solid and well made. So far it works great and is easy to store. Has a flip cover to protect the shaving head and the plastic feels solid and durable. Used it a few times and so far it does not disappoint. Excellent investment for a brand name that has been in the business for many years.